Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? Today's video is going to be a little different. We're actually going to be talking about something that just came in the mail for me today, and it's the ultimate finance bro gift. What is it? The Tesla Tequila. So, I'm going to open this up, show you what's in it. We're going to try some. We're going to talk about why it's kind of a funny thing. So, inside the box, you can see it's really nice, nice foam packaging. The bottle itself is super cool. This bottle costs $250. Now, when you think about it, Tesla's stock has just been going absolutely insane lately, which is why I'm calling it the ultimate finance bro gift, right? Elon Musk is basically giving everybody something to celebrate with his skyrocketing stock, right? So if you bought into Tesla and you're up 400% this year or whatever, hopefully you bought some Tesla that you can crack open and give it a shot. So a really cool lightning bottle. You can see here just some of the general stats. It's 750 milliliters, 40% alcohol, just very standard stuff. Looks really good. It's definitely a display piece. When you bought it, you were actually limited to only being able to buy 2 at a time. So a collector's item. I saw on eBay that someone's trying to sell the bottle for $1,000 already. The stand itself has a really cool Tesla logo located on it. And basically the bottle just fits right in there. You will see this bottle on every single one of my streams right here where the tree is moving forward, just because I think it's a great display thing. And again, if we ever have a big trade or something on the live stream, which we do stream live every single morning here on YouTube, I'll go pour a shot of that or whatever. So let's go ahead and open it up and give it a shot. I will be the first to let you know that I am not a tequila snob. I don't know what super good tequila tastes like other than the fact that it just goes down smooth. So I'm going to pour just a little shot. Don't want to use too much so I can keep the glass and everything looking nice. So there's the lid just coming off nice and easy. And let's just go ahead and pour a little bit. It smells like tequila. Put that guy back up. Inside its case. Shout out to Elon for the Tesla Tequila, aka Teslaquila. Cheers for the stocks. Cheers to all of you watching. Make sure you press that like and subscribe button. It's not bad. I wouldn't say it's $250 worth of tequila, but the display is nice. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.